In Letter 3 of the Screwtape Letters by C.S. Lewis, Screwtape, a senior demon, expresses satisfaction with the news that the human he refers to as the patient is experiencing a difficult relationship with his mother. Screwtape sees this strained relationship as a valuable opportunity for demonic influence and strategizes with his nephew Wormwood, a novice tempter assigned to the patient, on how to exacerbate these tensions to their advantage. The overarching aim is to prevent the patient from practicing genuine love and charity towards his mother, thus keeping him away from the influence of the enemy, whom Screwtape identifies as God. Screwtape outlines several tactics Wormwood should employ to deepen the rift between the patient and his mother. Firstly, he suggests that the patient be encouraged to focus intensely on his inner life and spiritual pursuits in such a way that he becomes completely self-absorbed and oblivious to his own flaws and annoying habits, traits that are all too apparent to those living with him, including his mother. By doing so, the patient can maintain a sense of spiritual superiority while failing to practice the basic virtues of patience, kindness, and humility within his own home. Another method Screwtape proposes is to manipulate the patient's prayers for his mother. He advises that these prayers be made vague and uninspiring, focusing on the mother's sins and perceived shortcomings to ensure they exacerbate the patient's irritation rather than foster any genuine desire for her well-being. Screwtape highlights the irony of a person praying for another's soul while simultaneously harboring resentment and anger towards them, revealing the superficial nature of such prayers. Screwtape also wants Wormwood to ensure the patient fixates on his mother's annoying habits without self-reflection on his behavior or consideration of his mother's perspective. This one-sided focus on irritation further divides them as it lacks empathy and understanding. Additionally, Screwtape advises that the patient and his mother be influenced to speak to each other in hostile tones even during mundane conversations. This tactic is designed to provoke mutual defensiveness and misunderstanding, further entrenching their conflicts and resentments. Screwtape finally raises the question of whether the patient's new Christian faith has triggered any negative reactions from his mother, such as anger or jealousy. This suggests that Screwtape sees potential in exploiting any tension arising from religious differences as another avenue to drive a wedge between the patient and his mother. Overall, Letter 3 delves into the subtleties of how seemingly minor irritations and misunderstandings can be manipulated by malevolent forces to erode love and charity within the most intimate of human relationships. Screwtape's advice to Wormwood is a cynical blueprint for fostering discord and hindering spiritual growth, showcasing Lewis's critique of how easily individuals can be led astray from living out authentic Christian virtues, especially within the context of family life. If this video was helpful, please hit subscribe to help the channel reach our first 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. This has been another Bookly Crash Course.